Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add regular time on TradingView app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the TradingView app on your PC and already logged in as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface of the TradingView apps on in the screen. And you can also see this is the chart of the BTC USDT. And if you want to add the regular time on TradingView app, then you can see there is a option time zone, which is at the bottom right corner of this chart. So once you click on this one, you can see it is UTC by default, and you can also change to the exchange. But if you want to add your regular time on TradingView, then you need to see, or you need to search in here, because there is a lot of option in here. So let me select mine one, which is Kathmandu, and yeah, once I click on it, yeah, I will be able to add regular time on TradingView app successfully. So basically this is how you can add regular time on TradingView app on your PC. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, then put them in a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.